This video demonstrates an application of OpenCV. Using OpenCV, an application has been created in Python to write virtually on the screen. As you can see, a refill is being used to write on the screen. One can use practically anything for writing. In this case, the blue part of the refill is being tracked using a mask in HSV format of image input from webcam. CV2.find contours is applied to get the contour of blue part, and CV2.draw contours is being used to draw it as visible in this video. As can be observed in this video, the exposure area of the blue part is being controlled by the fingers. While writing, it is being exposed, and when I don't need to write, I cover most part of it behind the fingers. This changes the area of the blue contour. There is a minimum contour area required in order to write. For writing, red dots are being added in a set of already existing red dots. The positions of the red dots have been related to the position of the contour. In each progressing frame, new larger set of red dots is drawn. In the next video, we will see how can we clear the screen by just waving our hand. The Python code of this program is available on my GitHub page. Link is in the description. You would need to tune some parameters in the code according to the ambient light conditions and your screen color.